So we've got a BMW in today that has a faulty alternator. So first things first, we've already checked the car to check the charging system. So first things first, before we remove the alternator, is to disconnect the battery. While that's disconnected, plug it on charge, let the battery charge up. So it is connected and it is charging. So we'll head round to the front and strip the alternator out. Alright, so that's your alternator right there. We're gonna proceed to take that out now. It's fairly straightforward. So normally you have your airbox in your way, which sits over here, and also a front cover, which sits at the front here. We've removed them so we can check if the alternator is charging. So now we'll get on to removing the alternator. First we'll take off the belt. Belt off. We'll remove this roller over here, just because it has to come off the alternator and go on to the next one. That's your power cable off. 3 bolts on the alternator. Plug's being a bit stubborn, so get something on it to help pry it off. Here's the old unit. We've got our new alternator, which has just been delivered. We will fit this back in now. Please double check your bolts. Nut for the power cable. Roller. Roller back onto the bottom of the plate doesn't drop off the back of the roller. That will stop your roller from turning. T45. Make sure that you tighten your bolts. Spin it, it spins freely. Cap back on. Ready to the belt. Streets we too active. I don't know when you're rolling with them thoughts. Ain't no game I spinning. Oh, you get this so freely. I'm just hoping you're free. Girl, tell me what you need. Trying to start slow. Very strong. The night is young, it's black and so we're currently going to start the vehicle to check its charging. So we get Yandy to start the car. And just the air pipe off. Using the multimeter or just check the charging. Getting 14.66 volts. Let's check it on the load as well. Again, turn the lights and the heaters and that on. On load, and all the loads on right, we're talking 13.6. Yeah, we'll just fit up the front of the car now. Good. Job done. God leave me in seconds.